Now, in order to give more meaning to the charts that we have created on the Google Sheets, it's better to give data labels to it. Now, what is the meaning of data label? Let me show you this particular thing via performing an hands-on activity over here. Now, going over here. First, if you are able to see over here, the first and the most important thing is that in order to see the values, that is graph table, what group A, group 2, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6 have collected, I require to see from here, and then I have to go at the top, or I require to make my cursor just go to the bar, and then I will be able to see exactly what is the collection that the concerned group has done for a particular event such as craft, table, face painting, and so on. So that makes the work more tedious. So in order to simplify the work, we are having a concept called as data label. Now, how to insert a data label? You will be able to see three dots over here. I'm clicking on the three dots and I'm then going on the edit charts. Now, if you are able to see, select the chart, customize. So where we have to go? We have to go to customize option. On the customize option, where I will go series and data label. So where I will be able to see over here series, and then I will be able to see over here group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. When I scroll down, you will be able to see error bar, data labels, and trend line. I just have to click on data labels. As soon as I click on data labels, you will be able to see that the values are inserted just on the chart itself. Now, where you require value center, if I go to the center, it will be at the center. Now, if I go in inside, it will be in inside. If I go inside this, you will be able to see shifted outside it. I will be making it auto. If you want to select any font size, you can select the font size from here. Font label, just see to it which label suits best according to you. Make it bold, make it italics. The same thing that we have done for the chart title. One more time, reiterating it, how to add a data label. What is the use of data label? Just undoing it so that I will be able to show you the difference. Now, when the data label is not present over here, what you will be able to see? You will be able to see the chart is a blank chart where we are not able to find out the values of the label or the values of the event that group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 have done. So what I will be doing, I will be clicking over here, edit chart, go in customize, go in series, and just scroll down, you will be able to see data label. Where you want, these are the formatting which I have shown you values, where I require outside end, or I require it auto, I require it center, you will be able to see like this, the font, the size of that particular thing, making it bold, making it italics, and so on. So in this particular way, you are able to give data, you are able to give data label to the Google Sheets, thereby making it more meaningful and more visual appealing to the audience that will be looking at the charts.